In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a receptacle in a cabinet. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more how-to tips. You're going to need a few tools to get this job done. You can get away with a jigsaw, but I like to use an oscillating cutting tool. You're going to need a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit. You may need a driver. You're going to need a square. You're going to need some painter's tape. You're going to need a tape measure, a pencil, and you're probably going to need a snack. Now, take a look around the cabinet, measure out where the top bar is going to sit, and you're also going to need to know where the back is. To do this, I measure the inside from the front, then I'll measure from the outside and subtract the difference just to make sure that I'm not going to run into any problems. So I usually go 2 inches from the top and 2 inches from the back, and that's usually a good spot to clear everything and makes a comfortable spot for the receptacle. So I'm going to do that, mark 2 inches. I'm going to double check the size of the box. These metal boxes usually need about 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. But some areas I know use plastic boxes and it may be a little bit different. Get everything marked out. I just use a square, I don't bother with a level. You're going to assume that your cabinets are sitting level, and even if they're not, it's going to look odd if your receptacle's level, but your cabinet isn't. And I'll double check with the receptacle plate. Now take your drill and drill out each corner. This helps the oscillating tool. It's not great in the corner and it just makes things a little bit cleaner. Make sure you drill for the little screws that go in for the receptacle. Right there, that guy right there, yeah. Now take your oscillating tool and cut it out. Now if you've never used one of these before, you should let the tool do the cutting. Don't force it too much, it'll just burn and jam up. It takes a little bit of practice, but once you get good at it, you can follow the lines pretty good. That's all there is to it. Just stick your box in the hole and you're all done. Okay, well, this one's a little tight. No big deal, just take and mark out with your pencil where it's too tight and take your oscillating tool and trim it up. You should be good to go. I got lucky this time, but it might take you a few tries. Just like that, you're all ready to hook up your electrical. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.